may think that buzzing your lips seems quite hard since playing other brass instruments, but it's not true. It's not hard at all. Now, first I also thought it would be hard for me, but now I realize it's not. Because I have my trombone right here. A trombone. And after that, I guess I just played randomly there, but yeah, on the mouthpiece, I learned how to do it. And now I'm going to teach you guys how to buzz your lips on the brass instrument. So first I want to blow a raspberry. Now you don't want to be like that because it's buzzing your whole entire mouth. So you want to close these little parts here and this part right there. So instead of doing this, you should do this. Instead of just close these parts. Now once you got that going, you should try the mouthpiece. Right, so here's the mouthpiece. And you do the same thing. Cover your whole mouth with it and then do that buzzing lips. It's quite simple. Take a little deep breath and then just buzz your lips. Not like this. Because then it sounds like... Can't really do it. But then if you buzz in the middle part, you get something like this. And then after that, you try on your trombone or trumpet or tuba or whatever instrument, whatever brass instrument you play. So, it's be like this. So in the next video, I'm going to teach you guys how to do the final scale, wherever you call it. The one where like you play the F, E flat, D, C, and B flat. So I hope you guys like my video. Subscribe to notifications on and stay tuned for the next video because I'm going to do the scale, I guess, on the trombone. Bye everyone. Bloop.